Hey guys, what's going on? It's still Wednesday for me. I don't know when you're going to be watching this video. I'm going to end up working through warm up number 13 and answering this one for you. Really don't have anything else to say. Hopefully you guys are still brushing your teeth. I didn't do that this morning. Haven't got my hair cut in God knows how long, and I'm slowly going crazy sitting in my house on a daily basis. Miss you guys. Much rather see you in class and deal with your sarcasm and being a pain, but it is what it is. Hopefully, you guys are being safe, being smart, listening to parents, things along those lines. Don't watch the news too much. The news gets really, oh man, they can scare the heck out of anybody. All right, let's go ahead. Let's work through this problem. Not even going to read that. I'm going to mess it up. Tell you right now, I'm definitely going to mess it up. Anyways, that is the tallest building in the world with 163 floors is having problems with its AC. You would think if they could afford to build the tallest building, they could afford to put a high quality AC unit in. It is suspected that the difference in air pressure between the first floor and the top floor is the problem. All right, the normal pressure for the bottom floor is 14.7 psi. A building engineer uses the function P to analyze pressure. P of F represents the pressure on each floor, where F is the floor number. All right, I hate word problems like this. They're just setting you up to fail. It's wordy, it's junk, they're terribly written. These problems are on purpose to throw you off, to try to confuse you. Okay, look for key things. It's a building. It has 163 floors. Well, you know, it starts with floor number 1. It goes up to 163. Things you need to know. P of F. Remember, whenever you see anything like that, it looks a lot like F of X. And remember, F of X represents Y. Okay? So this right here is Y. That will give you your output. But remember, you see that X in the middle? X is your input, domain, things like that. And the other key thing that I got out of this, the other thing reading, is F is the floor number. Okay, so F equals the floor numbers. All right, I hate these problems as well because there's no math related. It's just try to use your reasoning skills and common sense. All right, and the last most important part is what this whole thing's actually asking. Which of the following would be a possible domain? All right. Well, I know domain is X, right? And looking here, F is my X. So all I care about is the floor numbers. That's it. All right. So this over here, this 14.7 PSI is garbage. Okay. That annoying number and that annoying sentence that tries to give you garbage information will throw you off. So which one of these actually makes sense? Which of the following would be a possible domain? Well, domain are my X values. So which ones are my possible X's? Well, it's all of the floors. It's F. Well, I could have a floor 1, I could have a floor 2, a floor 3, but it says it just keeps going on forever. Well, this building only goes up so high. So I don't have 600 floors or 500 floors. So number 1 doesn't work. It starts off good by saying 1, 2, and 3, but it ends there. The next one says first floor, second floor, third floor, and we go to a top of 163. That's going to be my right answer because it's stating my domain, which is F for floor numbers. My domain could be floor number 1, floor number 2, and all of those numbers up to 163. We don't have 1.5 floors. It's one full floor. And the last one just tried to throw you off because it talks about the PSI. I bet you most of you guys are going to pick the last one just because you didn't understand what they were asking in that word problem. And it looks most complicated because there's decimals in there and it goes to 0. So I bet you that last one was probably a popular choice if you missed it. You just got to try to read through all the garbage. I'm sorry, guys. That's how they make word problems. It is what it is. I wish it was easier. It's actually not bad. It's just the way that it's worded is terrible. All right. I hope you guys are doing good. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.